this is Bree and welcome back to Park Parent Pointers. A pretty big question I get is when our younger patients can go ahead and resume normal activity after surgery. So let's just jump right in. For our super young kiddos, I'm sure you're wondering if you can go ahead and use a car seat, if you can hold the baby like normal, tummy time, sleeping, all of that is totally fine. If anything is uncomfortable for him, he'll either turn over or let you know, and in that regard, just try to avoid whatever it was that made him feel uncomfortable. The biggest things to avoid are jumper toys, anything that bounces, especially for the first 2 weeks. For our older kiddos, that would be bikes, tricycles, anything that's putting pressure on that surgery site. Additional to that, our older patients, or our older kiddos, PE should be avoided for about 1 week. The sports coach-directed activities for about 2 weeks. And then, that warm weather's coming up, summer's coming up, so I'm sure you're wondering about pool activities. That's 2 weeks as well, whether it's saltwater, chlorine, you're hanging out camping by the creek, all of that is still going to be 2 weeks. So hopefully you got a lot of good information this week. If you have any specific questions in regards to summer activities or what to do with your little kiddo, just give me a call or shoot me an email.